I'm going to show you what I got for the coffee station. It's just been delivered. I'm very excited about this. There should be 2 items in here. Okay, so I just love my Kenko vanilla latte. Absolutely love these. You can have them cold, you can have them iced. I love them, or you can have them hot. I'm going to be enjoying my coffee latte. So you get, actually, in this box that I can give you a link, you actually get 5 boxes with 8 sachets per box. So that's good for about £8. But they sometimes do deals, so check that out. They sometimes do it for about £7. And then in this little box here, this is going to be my lovely sugar bowl, but I can't wait to get this open because I just love the design and it's in keeping with my bedroom. So let me get this open. There's the lid. Look at that. Very delicate, and it does give you a little place where you can put your teaspoon as well. And the sugar bowl looks like this, and I'm happy it's very small. I literally wanted a small one because it's going to go in that, and I haven't got much space on my coffee station. So it's a lovely small sugar bowl, and it's just lovely and perfect, and I can get my little spoons in there. So yeah. So just to let you know, if you're interested in something like this, you can get it from their website. Different places sell them. This is the London Pottery, and it's the Blue Rose Sugar Bowl. I've also got the cups and saucers to match, and when that arrives, we will complete the coffee station. So I want to show you this stand that I got, and I think this would be great. I could put the cups and saucers here, and then I can even layer down and put some things underneath. And I got this one from IKEA. I don't know whether they still do. I got this ages ago, but I just thought, you know what, recycle, reuse it. So I'm using this for my coffee station. Okay, I also got from Amazon, never used these before, this would be the great video to test these out, some dividers. Let me show you what they look like. These are about £6. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so these are your custom-made dividers, because you can actually cut them up, but you can cut them up and you can slot them to anywhere you want. This is going to be great. I'll probably more there than I need, so I can keep these for other things. So I'm very happy to try this out to divide all my teas. And talking of teas and coffees, I've got my different teas in here. So this is a pucker organic, and this is a ginger and turmeric. And then again, I got my Twinings asleep, so that'd be great for bedtime. And I've got my Kenko coffee sachets that have just come. They look like this. I couldn't resist. I've just had myself a nice cup of coffee just now with them. So yeah, got my packets there. And I also brought some of these sachets, and these are the Lakeland, and these are semi-skimmed milk, and one of them's already slipped, so I think I did it with the scissors while I was opening it. Not sure. It was right there where they taped it up, so I think one of them's a goner. But yeah, I got this pack, and it cost me about £6 something, and you get 200. I think the more you get, the cheaper it is. So I got about 200 of these. This would be great for when I make my tea. So yeah, and I need milk and sugar, and that's hence why I got the sugar bowl. And then talking about tea, I've got my Fortnum & Mason beautiful tea in here. It's very strong, but it's beautiful. And to go with that, I've got my spoons. I showed you these in another video. I can also again leave links down below. And I've got the little mesh little ball that you put the leaves in, that you can dip into your cup. And also I've got this lovely, I got this from Pastimes a long time ago, and it says, where there is tea, there is home. And yeah, and that's great for a tea bag and also for spoons. So that's going to go into my coffee station as well. And the dividers, I'm going to be using them for this lovely gold box, which was given to me as a gift for a gift set. And I've got 2 of those, and this is where I'm going to put my dividers. And I think instead of buying a workstation organizer, and they do have beautiful ones on Amazon, and what I will do is I will show you the one that I did see and the one that I was going to get, but it was expensive. That's why I didn't get it. And I decided, instead of buying it, to use my gold boxes, which I can place under here and fill them up with the coffees and teas and whatever. And I'm thinking of getting a basket, a nice wicker basket, which I'll show you later, and putting some snacks in there, because when you've got teas and coffees and you go to hotels, you also have the luxury of some snacks. And I love savoury snacks, but I'm going to show you the snacks later. So let me also show you what kettle I bought. And these are the loose tea, which I'll be putting in my little mesh balls. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful quality tea. And I love the tin. And the tin, you can just keep reusing it. I maybe use that later on and put tea bags in. And this is the lovely, beautiful Laura Ashley kettle. I mean, look at it. Just take a moment to look at it. It is beautiful. Look at those florals. This was literally, I feel like it was designed for my bedroom. I couldn't pick a perfect kettle that goes beautifully with my curtains. This is, yeah, and it goes with the theme, the blue and white. I love it so much. And I am a big fan of Laura Ashley. With this kettle, you get a 20-month product warranty, and it is a 1.7 litre jug kettle. Perfect for what I need to use it. Now, let me get it out the box and show you what it looks like. So yes, I am very happy with this kettle, and when it's out of the box, I don't know, something about it, it's very glossy. It's not like a matte finish, it's nice and smooth and glossy. I suppose I have to look after that when cleaning for the paintwork, but yeah, so far so good. So I don't know about you, but I think that I just wanted to look at it like this and see how it all ties together, and I think it does. Look, all the blue florals, I know they're different tones of blue, but they just seem to all work together. Okay, so I'm going to open my gold box. I'm going to open these dividers. I'm going to start sorting it out. So I've just put in one of my coffee sachets. I'm measuring the measurements between this side and this side so I can get my length, and then I'm going to then do the dividing across. So let's put this in, and it's easy to cut. Look at my scissors. That was very simple. So this is quite easy work. I'm trying to, maybe I can cut that little bit off. I just want to be sure. Once you've cut it, you've cut it. That's it. And you can also see that this is a little bit taller, but you can also cut them across. So you can see that I just need to cut about that much. So I can also slice it across as well. And then that will fit in perfect, and then the lid can go on. So you can see that fits. Okay, so now we need some going across as well. So they just slot where you want them to go. Right, I just want to get a perfect measurement across. It's going to be up to about here. Do that again. Yeah, it's going to be about here. Always make sure you do bigger rather than smaller. Okay, I just want to make sure. Yeah, okay, so here are the results. So this is my Aldi coffee. I've got the milks here for tea. I've also got my herbal teas there. 2 herbal teas. I've got my Kenko coffees on either side, and then I've got the Aldi tea coffee, sorry, there, and they're all vanilla lattes because I really like those, and I think that works perfectly, and I really like these. So these are a great idea for dividing. So just put my lid on that, and that's my little coffee station organising there. And then I had this little box as well, and this one kind of opens up, and I'm thinking I might put some treats in here, and I've got this wicker basket as well, and I will be putting some treats in there. So let me show you what treats I've got, because I've got a big selection here, I think bigger than I thought. Okay, so I've got these 4 packs, and these are the seaweed thins, sea salt. And I've also got the yogurt raisins as well. So these are great to snack on. There's 5 packs in there. I have these little 6 Welsh cakes. If you haven't tried these, I would definitely recommend them. I got these from Sainsbury's, and they've got currants and sultanas, and they're absolutely lovely. So yeah, I wasn't sure, and I just saw these and thought, I've never seen those before. Tried them, they're beautiful. So I got those, look like little tea cakes. I got these licorice sweets because I really like those. So I got 4 of those. I got the Dairy Lee Dunkers, so great little snack. Most of my snacks are very savoury. No chocolates. I don't really like chocolate snacks. I prefer savoury over chocolate. Got these Twiglets, and you get, I don't know how many packs you get in there, 6 packs. And then I've got these sour cream Sunbites. And again, you've got a couple of packs in there, 6 packs in there. These are pop chips, and these are the sour cream and onion. You get 5 packs. I also got the sticky toffee oat boosts. I really like that. Grays from Grays, and yeah, can't wait. And over here we've got the lentils. They're really nice, and they're 5 packs there. We've got the proper chips barbecue lentils, again lentils, and again some more salted lentil chips at the end. So I'm going to be putting those in here, and then some things in here, and then I'll show you at the end. Okay, so this is how it's looking. We've got the lovely box of little treats there. I'm so happy with this. I love it. I love the way it's even got the little window so you can see. It's nice. I'm going to put that the right way because I just want everything to look nice. I love that. And then I've got all these little treats. I mean, this is so exciting. If you're thinking about making a little coffee station in your private little bedroom, I mean, it is excellent. It saves you, especially when you're watching movies in bed. You know, you don't want to go downstairs and make a drink, all that bother to go down on a cozy night, and you've got that luxury of having it in your bedroom as if you're in a hotel. You know, it's nice to treat yourself sometimes and make life easy. And I just love, you know, I know that I'm going to appreciate when I come out the shower, I'm into my bedroom, seeing the little coffee station set up for me, my little treat, and I don't have to go anywhere apart from press the little button switch, and I'm done. I'm set up and I can watch a nice movie in bed. Now I think it's time. These are just little bits of extras which I'll just add in a little storage box in my pantry for another time when I need to refill. And yes, I think it's time now to set this up in the bedroom. Okay, so I had some quartz left from when they did my kitchen, and this was going to be used for something in the kitchen. We never got round to doing that. We changed our mind, so there was some quartz left, and yeah, and I just thought, and I always kept it because you just never know. So I was thinking this would be great to put onto my blue box in the ottoman in the bedroom, and the things that are in here are things that I just never get out very often. So it's nice to use this as a base, and it's nice to have this because it's almost like a worktop. So I'm loving this, and it's a lovely quartz on there. So I'm just going to lay this all out now and show you how it's going to look. So right now it's looking like this, and I think it looks excellent myself. It was probably better than what I thought, and the best thing about it is I actually reused things from my home that yeah, I didn't have to purchase anything in the end. Everything, even to the IKEA little shelving as well, I had from years ago. So I've just used everything, and I think you can do that. It doesn't have to be expensive. The only things that I've purchased for this video is the kettle and the new tea cups and saucer and the sugar bowl. Everything else I've had, and obviously snacks and coffee I have anyway, just keep in my pantry. I've just transferred some of them into the bedroom, and my bed is just over there. So yeah, I think this is a perfect arrangement, and I love the fact that I still have this lovely surface as well. So this is going to help me when I'm pouring, when I'm sorting out my tea. So it even gives me a little bit of space here to sort out preparing to do my coffee, which I really like. I'm going to show you when the cups and saucers arrive, and I've just decided to add these lovely blue flowers here in this lovely little simple vase. I just think it looks simple, but it adds the blue, and I got all of those from Dallal. And I also wanted to show you my water bottle here and glass that I got from IKEA, and I think this is going to be a great way as well to keep healthy and drinking those glasses of water in between hot drinks, rather than go downstairs and keep getting the water. You may be asking, well, where is the water? So on delivery today I got 3 large bottles. These are 5 litre bottles from Tesco's, and yeah, I think if you just buy them in bulk and keep them in your room, these are going to be great for me to drink my water from, and it's also going to help refill my kettle. So I did say that I would show you when my cups and saucers arrive, and that's how we'll end the video. So obviously this is fragile. This is from the company that I ordered it from, and I'm just going to get this open. Can't wait to show you the cups and saucers to finish off that beautiful coffee station. So I ordered this from a company online called Hearts of Stir. I've never heard of them before, but yeah, it says make your house a home, and yeah, that's definitely what I'm going to be doing. So I've got a box in here. Let's get box number 1 out. Ooh, I wonder if this is the cup. Oh wow. And here is the saucer, and yeah, and I've got another one in here. So what we'll do, I'll put those in my room, and I will show you what it looks like on the actual coffee station.